On this call out, I am called to repair this washing machine. This is a Defy washing machine. It's a front loader, as you can see. The model number is written here, and we also have some other information about this washing machine here. Their complaint is that this washing machine is not draining water. So when the washing machine is not draining water, the first thing we check for is the filter. The pump and the PC board should the two be fine. This filter doesn't wanna come out, so I had to remove this cover. Definitely after that I must remove these screws and take the filter out. I will also have to take out this black hose which is from the tap, and also the other hose that the pump is using to drain water out of the machine. Most front loader washing machines have these motors, the motors that have brushes with them, and the commutator on the armature, and also the tachometer to measure speed. Well, not every front loader will have this speed measuring device. Some washing machines, they don't have this speed measuring device. They only have the motor and the connections that goes to the brushes and the motor windings. So to check this motor, we would need to figure the wires that goes to the stator of the motor. We would then measure for continuity between each stator windings. For now, we're not going to do that. There is nothing wrong with this motor. I'm just saying in case you come across a faulty motor. Apart from here, I also noticed that this washing machine has a heater element. No wonder it doesn't have an inlet valve that takes hot water from the geyser. It also has this temperature sensor here. So if we were to check for it, we would measure for a continuity between the element and the continuity on our wash temperature sensor. This washing machine is heavy. I would say more heavier than the top loader because of this counterweight that is here. Well, it's there for a reason, to balance the tap when the machine is spinning. Now let's go where the problem is and leave everything that is not faulty. This is our pump motor. It pumps water out of this washing machine. It's assembled here, and it has this pipe connected on it, which is the one that takes water out of the machine to the drain. Now what I will just do now is I will remove the screws from the front so that I can take out this pump and the pump assembly, remove the gray hose and remove this black hose also. Definitely after doing that, it will be easy to see where the problem is. Now the filter and pump assembly is out. What's left for me is to unscrew the black hose out, as I have already taken out the pipe that fits here, which is the pipe that takes water outside the washing machine. I can see from this hole that this filter is clogged. That is why it doesn't want to come out. So I can't force it because it will break. So after removing everything, I will then clean the filter. So I did manage to remove the filter, disassemble everything. So I've already cleaned the filter. These are the things that clogged it, and that is why it was stuck. There were coins inside, as you can see. That's a 5 rand. And these things that I used to hang curtains were also here. The nails were also inside here. That was the thing that I was using to clean, to remove the dirt out. But everything except that pipe was inside this filter. So I will just assemble everything, put back everything, and I will be done. So this is the washing machine. The job is complete. I've tested the washing machine. It is now draining. Subscribing and liking the video will be highly appreciated. Thank you.